Greetings, class, and welcome to Module 3. I wanted to again this week take a short amount of time to provide you with an overview of Module 3. But first, I wanted to take a step back and I wanted to make certain that everyone had an opportunity to explore the article in Module 2 titled A Practical Approach to Screening Social Determinants of Health. Remember that for your interview, you will need to develop and identify a minimum of 4 interview questions to screen for the social determinants of health. This article provides you links to various survey tools that you may find beneficial in the development of the interview questions. So please, if you have not had an opportunity to look at that article, please do so and let me know if you have any questions. As we move across the readings for Module 3, I would hope that by the end of this week that you would be able to differentiate between health inequalities and inequities. I hope that you will have a sound understanding of the various safety net programs throughout the United States and their impact on health equity. I would like you to take some time to explore the national standards for class in health and health care. The class standards provide us guidance on a set of behaviors, attitudes, and policies that enable effective communication across cross-cultural situations. We know that effective communication is paramount to reducing health disparities and improving health equity. As you complete the readings for this week, I also hope that you will gain information about social factors associated with health and how to enable and to address those factors to promote health equity. Finally, I would like you to be able to reflect on the process of screening for health-related social needs and the principles that support assessment. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I look forward to our discussion online. Thank you.